Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet A to Z. Gold color, silver color, violet color, red color, light green color, pink color, yellow color, blue color, brown color, orange color, black color, green color, green color, green color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cake. D for doll. Brown color. E for elephant. F for fish. Z for gold. H for house. Orange color. I for igloo. J for juice. K for kite. L for light. Blue color. M for mango. N for necklace. O for owl. P for parrot. Purple color. Q for queen. R for rat. S for strawberry. T for tiger. Light green color. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Pink color. Y for yak. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you.